So, got a different one here for you. I was contacted
About 2 months ago.
2 months ago, yeah, from a representative of CraftsyArt. I'm sure you've seen other people unboxing CraftsyArt already. I got mine a long time ago. I recorded the video of the unboxing. Unfortunately, the sound didn't come out at all, and I was going to have to record a voiceover, but I just kind of got lazy and didn't do it. So I figured instead of trying to do another unboxing, because we don't have the box anymore and the toolkit just got mixed in with the rest of our toolkits.
Standard green boat toolkit.
Yeah, standard everyday green boat, pen, squishy, you know. Probably didn't even have a squishy.
I don't remember actually.
But it's CraftsyArt. They have a website. You can go check it out. I will get the link and put it in the description down below. So instead of doing an unboxing, I'll do my first impressions. I like their website. I like their layout. I like the fact that they have some images that everybody else has. Let's face it, you know, it's a Chinese company. It did come from China. Shipping was actually pretty fast, about 2 weeks. You know, not really super long. From the time she contacted me and I picked the one I wanted. CraftsyArt is a great company for smaller diamond paintings. Most of their diamond paintings are small and very inexpensive. However, they excel in the fact that this is only a 30 by 40 and it's got 26 colors. So it's got enough color to bring out detail in a small painting. So I'm really impressed with that. This small of a painting has that good a detail in it. And it is a poured glue, and it is extra super sticky, like literally. I can, well, get things stuck to it. I got this one for Amber when I saw it because I knew her spirit animal there is a sloth.
Mm-hmm.
And when it came in, it came with an extra. It actually had an extra toolkit because of the greeting cards. It came with a greeting card. She threw that in for us. Really nice little gift. Amber, as you see, has already done the greeting card. The whites in here are all AB, well, mostly ABs. They're rounds.
The only issue I had with this one is their alignment wasn't lined up right, so some of these drills didn't have glue on it, but easy fix.
Yes. Diamond Dots, you go to Hobby Lobby. Diamond Dots has their own glue, which I suspect is probably the same thing as the poured glue that they use on their canvases, bottled up. Paintbrush, just an everyday normal paintbrush.
I used a rubber one.
Oh, you use one of the rubber ones. Okay, yeah.
It doesn't matter.
Yeah, just one of those rubber paintbrushes like that. She put that on with that, let it dry a little bit, and it's no different than the poured glue that was already on there.
They give you directions on the bottle, but you have to put a dot on where you need it, spread it out thin, and then wait 2 to 5 minutes, I think it said.
Yeah.
Oh, I guess it doesn't say when, but it says wait till it clears, dries clear. It'll dry clear, and it would be tacky, just like your regular glue.
So yeah, when we got it, the greeting card, the whole right-hand side line of drills, anywhere there was a right-hand edge, like here, here, here,
no,
all the way up here, it was all pushed off to the right.
No, it was only issues on this. Hold on, I can tell you where I had my issues. I see where I had to drip it. Okay, so my issues were only on this side. Everything from like this dot over was fine, but this line and this line wasn't. This was okay. It was just barely not lined up.
Yeah. So, you know, just a few there. So
but it's okay, no biggie. It was an easy fix, and it was a fun thing to work on.
And there's lots of leftover drills from it. They send more than enough drills to do the greeting card with.
At least 20% more.
Yeah. And we're guessing this will be the same way, the drills for this one. First impressions is I like CraftsyArt. If I wanted to buy small diamond paintings, because they do have some larger size, and even the big ones, like their, what was it, was it 80 by 50, I think?
Something like that.
It was only like, what, 20 bucks? Yeah, I mean, they're really cheap even for the bigger ones they've got. They don't have a huge selection, but they're not...
They're inexpensive.
Yeah, inexpensive. Cheap, inexpensive, same thing. The quality is good. It's your typical
standard canvas,
yeah,
plastic
yeah,
feel.
plasticky feel, but it's poured glue. It's very clear. I mean, I don't even need a light pad to do this one. If I was going to sit down and do this one, I would not need a light pad for it. It's that clear and bright. Every symbol is easily legible. There's really very few confusing symbols in there. I mean, it does start with number 1 is symbol number 1. Number 2, number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then it gets into the letters Y, T, C, H, D, E, R, N, J, V, A, X, M, K, P, F, and S. And so they didn't put any, it's like there's no 2's next to S's or any, there are some Y's next to T's, but it's not really bad. It's easily, you can tell them easily apart because the background behind the Y is darker than the background around the T. So you can easily tell them apart. So it's nothing there looking confusing. Like I said, the canvas is sticky. The images
Clear.
is very clear. Nice detail for such a small painting.
And as far as we saw, we didn't see any copyrighted
Yeah.
stuff with it.
Yeah, we didn't see anything that's like horribly copyrighted, like nothing that's licensed to DAC or TSA or Dreamer Designs that we know of. So yeah, first impression is it's a great company if you want to buy a bunch of snack size for little price. Definitely will keep you busy, and I've got no problem whatsoever with it so far. And I'm gonna let Amber work this one up. She did the greeting card and it came out great. We love it. I don't know if we're gonna give it to anybody or if it's just gonna be decoration.
We're gonna use it for decoration.
I am kind of weirded out by the way they did this. They should have had the image printed this way so that you could stand it up like this and not be upside down. Instead it's kind of printed weird, but yeah, that's it. That's CraftsyArt. Link down. Oh, drills. Yeah, we'll go through the drills. If everybody really wants to see them, we'll go through them.
I'm curious on their packaging.
Oh, well, the packaging is this type here. The blue banded plastic type. They're all round drills.
Is there DMC on the plastic?
Yes, the DMC is on the plastic. Yes, they are round. Yeah, the DMC is on the plastic right here. And it's got the number 1 on the bag up here to let you know that that's the number 1 in the thing. And they are in order, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the DMC is right beside that number 1 at the top there.
Also on this canvas, the DMC numbers.
And yeah, DMC is there. And the kit number is on the plastic, so if you want to store your drills separately from your thing, you can, because the kit number W0094 is right there on the baggie as well, so no confusion on which drills go with which kit. And pretty nice drills. There's your 120, 152 and 165 and 168, 310s, very few 310s, 318, 434s, 436.
And I have to say, I didn't have very many trash drills either at all with any of the colors on the card.
Ah, okay. 581, 640, 642, 644, 646, 701, 702, 704. I like that 704. That's pretty lime green. 738. 739, 745, 822, and 3042 in that set. And this little mini strip here has the last 7 colors on it, or 6. 3371s, 3740, 3770, 3799 with a 3770 that identifies us. That's a different color. 3819 and 3865. Looks like there's plenty of drills there for the kit. We will see when we get to it. Oh, there's another one there. The green one identifying in there. See? But yeah, great kits. Like I said, I would recommend them for your smaller diamond paintings. For if you don't have a lot of money and you just want to keep your diamond painting addiction going. Great site. CraftsyArt, and as I said, link down below in the description. So until the next time, rock on, y'all.
Toodles.